This is for the IXL roots of rational numbers. I have to simplify the fourth root of 16 over 81. So the first thing that I want to do with my original problem is to separate the fraction into the numerator and the denominator. So the problem becomes the fourth root of 16 over the fourth root of 81. In the numerator, I'm looking for a number that multiplied by itself 4 times will give me 16. In this case, that number is 2 because 2 times 2 4 times 2 8 times 2 16. So in the numerator, I get 2. In the denominator, I'm looking for a number that multiplied by itself 4 times will give me 81. In this case, the answer will be 3. 3 times 3, 9, times 3, 27, times 3, 81. So my denominator becomes 3. My final answer becomes 2 over 3. Another problem that I might get is to simplify the cube root of negative 125 over 216. I'm going to start by doing the same thing I did before. I'm going to separate the fraction into the numerator and the denominator. So in the denominator, I'm looking for a number that multiplied by itself 3 times will give me 216. That number will be 6. So 6 times 6, 36 times 6, 216. So the denominator just becomes 6. In the top, in the denominator, I'm looking for a number that multiply by itself 3 times will give me negative 125. So I know that 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 is 125. But unfortunately, 5 wouldn't be my answer because if I multiply 5 by itself 3 times, I get positive 125, not negative 125. So in this case, my answer will be negative 5 because negative 5 times negative 5 is 125 times negative 5 will give me negative 125. So in order to get a negative, I need to multiply a negative number by itself 3 times. So my numerator becomes negative 5. So my final answer will be negative 5 over 6.